Hi, this is Ashley coming to you from Halton Honda with another great pre-owned vehicle. Today we're checking out the economical people mover, the 2018 Dodge Caravan GT, equipped with a 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 283 horsepower. Cold Canadian winters are why this vehicle features leather-heated front and second row seats and even has a heated steering wheel. In addition to passenger comfort, the Caravan features the handy second and third row stow and go seats. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. The seats fold right into the floor instead of your already crowded garage. Let your kids store all their gear, even tacos, tacos, in the overhead compartments. Load it up with convenient features like rear view camera, power tailgate, and power sliding passenger doors with sunshades. Book your test drive today at 905-632-5371.